Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to delete your account on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. After that, press on three dots which shown on top right. Click on Setting. Scroll down till we get Advanced. Click on Delete Account. You will get message. Deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo. Delete all your messages. First, we're required to select your country. Write your phone number. Click on Delete Account. You will get message. Are you sure you want to delete your account? This will delete your Signal account and reset the application. The app will close after the processing is complete. Press on Delete Account. That's it. If you find that this content is helpful and you are interested in this type of video, you can subscribe our channel. Also, you can leave your comment and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.